Hello everyone, myself Sharon Shajan. So today I will be demonstrating one of my project, e-commerce web application. So basically I had built this web application by using Python Django framework. So let's start. So the first step is to start the server from the terminal. So the command of starting the server is python manage.py run server. So for the time being I am just running it on my local server. So here is the link. So this is a basic UI of a web application. So I had used HTML, CSS and Bootstrap for building this. So moving downwards, you can see the product section wherein the products are displayed. For now there are 6 products in the home page, and in the footer there is an option to connect your social media accounts. So moving forward to the admin panel. So I had created a super user for the admin. So the user is okay. After the login is successful, it will redirect to the admin dashboard wherein you can see the customers details for email ID and all. And in the product section, for now in the home page there are 6 products. So if you want to add products, we can add dynamically from here. So for example, if you want to add a product called bag and price 600 rupees, and since it is since it is not a digital product, so no. And if you want to add an image, we can add from here. So bag, so we are adding bag. So save. After saving, it gives an alert that the product bag is added successfully. So after refreshing the page, so here you can see the bag product is added dynamically. So in the same way, if we want to delete this product called t-shirt, so we can go to the admin panel, and in products we can click t-shirts, and there is an option for delete. So yes, I am sure. And as you can see, the product t-shirt is deleted successfully, and after the page is refreshed, so yeah, as you can see, the t-shirt product is deleted. So moving forward, as you can see, the cart is showing 0 products as of now. So we can add products to the cart by clicking add to cart buttons. So now you can see the cart is updated and it is showing 6 products. So clicking on the cart icon, it will go to the cart page wherein you can see the products list. If you want to increase the quantity of any of the product, we can do it here. For example, the product book, it costs around 99 rupees. If we increase it to quantity, it will calculate the amount and it will dynamically add to the total. So if you want to increase the quantity of jeans, so as you can see, 299 into 2, it will give you 798 rupees. So moving forward to the checkout page. So yeah, so this is the checkout page wherein you can see the total amount, items total amount, and here is a form wherein you can fill your personal details. For example, so after filling the form, we have to click continue. So it is saying that in the email address the @ is missing. So I've added some JavaScript in the form. So yeah, after the form is filled, as you can see there is a payment option. For now I have integrated PayPal payment gateway interface for the payment. So clicking on the pay with PayPal. So I had already made a sandbox account, which means a testing account to test my payment gateway. So yeah, login. So yeah, uh, so this is the interface of the payment gateway. There is an option called Pay Now. We have to click that, and it will process our payment. It will take few minutes. So yeah, after the payment is successful, you can see the alert that is the transaction is completed, and if you press OK, it will redirect to the home page, and you can see the cart is 0 resetted. So going to the admin page for now. If you now check the shipping address section, it will display all the shipping addresses of the customers. So the previous customer address was Rosevilla AP compound. So yeah, and the customer name was Advait. So as you can see, the order ID is 19. So in the order section, if we click order ID number 19, we can see the details for customer name, the payment status, and the transaction ID. Okay, so this was it, a small brief of my project. So hope you like it. Thank you very much.